Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products out there to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a look at what could easily be considered the best swimming pool cleaning robot, the Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner. If you're tired of spending hours cleaning your pool and want a more efficient, high-tech solution, this may just be the game changer you've been waiting for. The Dolphin Premier is a top-tier robotic pool cleaner designed to handle pools up to 50 feet in length. This machine is as easy to use as it gets. Simply drop it in the water, press a button, and let it work its magic. No need for complicated setups or hours of preparation. It comes equipped with a patented anti-tangle swivel cable, which ensures smooth navigation around your pool, regardless of its shape or features. What really sets the Dolphin Premier apart is its advanced cleaning capabilities. With its clever clean technology, it uses sophisticated algorithms to calculate the most efficient cleaning path, ensuring that every inch of your pool gets the attention it deserves. Whether it's the floor, the walls, or the waterline, the Dolphin Premier takes on dirt and debris with ease. And, with dual scrubbing brushes, it's particularly tough on stubborn grime, leaving your pool sparkling clean in just about 3 hours. For the ultimate in convenience, the Dolphin Premier comes with 3 different filter options: fine, ultra-fine, and an oversized leaf bag, giving you flexibility based on the type of debris in your pool. And if that wasn't enough, you can program it to clean at scheduled times using the weekly timer. Whether it's daily, every other day, or just a few times a week, this robotic cleaner ensures that your pool is always ready for a swim. Plus, the full filter indicator alerts you when it's time to clean the filter, so you never have to guess when to do maintenance. Backed by a solid 3-year warranty, the Dolphin Premier is built to last, and it's incredibly energy efficient compared to traditional pool cleaning methods, saving both time and money in the long run. With its powerful performance, easy setup, and user-friendly design, the Dolphin Premier is truly one of the best robotic pool cleaners on the market. So, if you're ready to upgrade your pool maintenance routine, the Dolphin Premier is the way to go. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews on the best products out there.